Okay, so we're talking about the carbon challenge facing concrete. Everybody knows carbon is the baddie in today's world. It's alleged 8% of the world's carbon emissions produced is in concrete production. So the challenge to the concrete industry is how do we go about reducing the impact, the environmental impact of this versatile construction mix. Doug, you have some ideas?
Yeah, so one of the ways, obviously there's many ways, but one of the ways that we see is a lot of the time structures are designed and built with very high MPa concrete. So for example, a bridge, deck or wharf structure might specify a 55 or 60 MPa sometimes concrete, and it's not actually, you don't need that 60 MPa for the structural or for the strength of the concrete or for the structure to take the loads, that sort of thing. Most of the time that higher MPa is used solely to achieve more durability. Now obviously the higher the MPa, the higher the cement content in the concrete. So what we, I guess it's really putting the idea forward really, or putting the challenge out there, is why not look at a lower MPa concrete, so maybe you only need 35 or 40 MPa for structural, or to structurally support the whatever it is. But you know, can you work with that 35 MPa concrete and get that to be as durable or achieve durability without having to use all that extra cement to take it up to that 60 MPa? Obviously we work with the hydrogel admixtures and spray treatments. Do you want to touch on them?
Yeah, thanks Doug. So that's a pretty innovative way of reducing straight off the wasted cement that you may be using just to get durability. I mean, there's other lower impact methods via say colloidal silica admixtures where you make your concrete just as durable without all that extra cement. The other way of reducing the impact of concrete on the environment is looking at its overall lifespan. So if we can add service life to concrete structures, so we can build them to last 100, 150 years by using best practices and techniques, quality admixtures, that sort of thing, and also remediating structures that are reaching the end of their design life, instead of demolishing them in a rebuild situation. The world's short of infrastructure with the growing population. If we add service life to a structure that's already there, look at all the carbon we would be saving in a rebuild situation. So just a couple of innovative thoughts of how we can reduce our impact in the concrete industry.
Saving the world, one concrete structure at a time. Markham, adding life to concrete.